Right, so let us look at what we mean by a subject and a predicate. Now, when we make a sentence, for example, it is raining today, what we are essentially doing here is there are two key aspects of this sentence. The first part is what are we talking about? So we are talking about today. And second part of this sentence is what is it that is happening in relation to today? So it is raining. So basically, you can think about when we make a sentence, there are two aspects of it. First is we name some person or a thing, and second, we say something about that person or a thing. Or, in other words, we need to have a subject to speak about, and we must be able to say or predicate something about that subject. So, every sentence can be thought of as having two parts. The part which names the person or the thing we are speaking about is known as the subject of the sentence. In our sentence example of it is raining today, we are talking about the day today. So today is the subject. And then the second part of this sentence is which tells us something about today. So this is known as the predicate of a sentence. So in this case, raining or it is raining is the predicate. We are predicating that it is raining today. Now keep two things in mind. First is that the subject of the sentence usually comes first, but many times you will find that it is also put after the predicate. So for example, you may say, here comes the bus, instead of bus is coming. In fact, even the previous sentence, it is raining today, in that we are talking about the predicate before the subject. So raining comes before today. So that's one. And in the imperative sentences, where you are making a request or a kind of a command, right? Usually the subject could be left out. For example, sit down. Now here the subject you is understood, or thank him. So it's just understood that the request is for you to thank him. So yeah, that is it. A subject is the thing or the person that we are going to talk about or describing, expressing, and predicate is what we are talking about, that subject or a thing.